How you can make healthy choices for your eating. There are times once you need to make a choice about what you eat. You'll get to a stage in your dieting where you've got to settle on. Choose healthy food or nutriment. What decision would you create and why would you create that call? Thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel Master Health Media. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon. Thanks. It is a special day and you're being taken out for dinner. You've been told that tonight money isn't a drag and you'll choose anywhere you would like to eat. Normally you'd prefer to dine out at one among the nutriment restaurants within the neighborhood, but there's a very nice restaurant opened just a couple of blocks away. People are saying how wonderful the food is there. You recognize that it's getting to cost tons of cash, but the experience would be a dream coming true. What would be your choice here, and more to the purpose, what food would you choose once you bought there? Very few people would choose their local nutriment restaurant for that special meal. They might want the candles, the wine, the soft lights and therefore the music. People would want that intimate setting where they might talk quietly with their partner. They eat and savor the food they're eating. They taste every mouthful, and before they realize it a few hours have passed. People will normally choose that nice setting for a meal out, because they enjoy being treated as a special person. Yet everybody is special and deserves to be treated during a special way when it involves food. You've now reached the purpose of creating a choice between fast food and non-fast food for your everyday eating. You can make the selection of sitting at the table as a family and having that intimate dinner with everybody. You'll have good food with conversation. Yes, it'd take a while if you don't normally eat this manner. But every member of your family is special and can enjoy being treated as a special person. If you purchase the food for your family, then you're liable for the food within the house. You've got to prevent expecting the day to return once you have your diet sorted to start out making healthy choices. Be radical, close up the TV and tell the family that they're sitting down at the table for dinner tonight and each night. Add during a healthy food that the family don't normally eat. Make changes slowly and see how the diet of the family will change. Cheap healthy diet plan. How to eat healthy foods when on a budget. People often assume that to eat healthy foods means you have to spend more money. They see special food products or supplements being offered and wonder how they would ever be able to afford those, as well as buying the food needed to feed the family. If this is your dilemma, then you can consider the problem solved today for you. You will not need to buy any foods that only you can eat, because you should be making the decision for your family to eat the same meals. If you are shopping, then you can make the changes needed. Stop buying junk food, and start buying good fresh products. If you buy microwavable meals for your normal main course, they can work out quite expensive. Also, many are high calories and high fat but small portions. Not too long after finishing the meal you are hungry and start to eat more. Buy fresh meat or fish and add in vegetables and you will have a healthy meal for less than you have paid before. Choose white meat over red, removing the skin. Have red meat as a treat when you can afford to add it into the diet. Instead of buying all those sodas, try buying flavored water. Many of these have less than 10 calories in the whole bottle. There will be flavors to suit all taste. Or you could use fruit juice diluted with sparkling water. Buy fruit and vegetables when they are in season. If there is a special offer, learn how to freeze it and it will become available when you need it. If you are not sure about pulses because you need to make sure you fast boil them for 20 minutes to eliminate all the toxins in them, then use the canned beans. If your family won't eat pulses, then you can always add them to a meal. Instead of using all minced meat, try half meat and half lentils and the family won't notice the difference. These are all ways to have a healthy diet when you are on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money buying foods, and you might even find that you have saved yourself some money in the process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, make a comment, hit the bell icon. Thanks, blessings.